Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming sync version in the car, sync 3 or sync 4, because pairing menus differ. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and grant the app permissions so data and audio route properly. Make sure the phone is awake and unlocked. Next, decide wired versus wireless. If using USB, plug a good cable into the car's port. If Bluetooth, leave the phone near the center console. Now move to pairing in the head unit. You now use the sync screen. Go to phone, then add a device and start Bluetooth pairing so the car and phone exchange a PIN. On your phone, confirm the PIN and accept pairing. Make sure to allow contact and text access if prompted. Once paired, open the mobile app you want, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, and follow any on-screen setup. Sync may request app integration permission. If using USB, select the corresponding projection on the sync screen to activate. To finish, verify sync shows the app as the active media or projection source, and test a core function like navigation or music so you confirm full integration. If voice commands won't launch, make sure the app's microphone permission is enabled. If maps fail, toggle mobile data. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone and power cycle the vehicle. Next, try clearing the app cache or deleting and repairing the device. This resolves most persistent connection errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.